What is 1 minute worth to you? Especially in today's fast paced world, we cannot talk about money without taking time into consideration. The faster we make money online, the better, right? How does earning $16 in 1 minute sound to you? Exciting or impossible? Well, if you're going to stick around till the end and make every second of this video count, I'm going to share exclusive tips to help you earn $16 in 1 minute and make fast money online as a beginner. This fast method of making money online is totally beginner friendly and can be done by anyone. All you have to do is make the wise decision of listening closely till the end, and you'll be equipped to make fast money online in 2022. But first things first, welcome to the Online Money Girl channel. I'm your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online, regardless of background and expertise. If you enjoy learning about how to make fast money online as a beginner, check out my other videos and let me know in the comments what you find most helpful. While you're at it, tap the like and subscribe button and don't leave out the notification bell so you'll stay updated with the latest trends in making money online. Now let's get down to business. In this video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet powerful strategy to help you make fast money online in 2022. And it all starts with Ibotta.com. Ibotta is an American mobile technology company based in Denver, Colorado that provides cash rebates to users for shopping at stores or purchasing products from companies that pay Ibotta a fee. With Ibotta, you can get cash back every time you shop online, in-store, or from your phone. Ibotta is a free cashback rewards and payments app that gives you real cash for everyday purchases when you shop and pay through the app. Ibotta provides thousands of ways for consumers to earn cash on their purchases by partnering with more than 1,500 brands and retailers. Whether you're buying groceries, clothing, electronics, or wine and beer, Ibotta will pay you cash for your purchases. In fact, Ibotta has paid out over $1 billion in cash rewards to more than 35 million users since its founding in 2012. To date, this company has already paid their users over $1 billion. Each user has access to thousands of offers. New name brand offers are added every month in nearly every category, including grocery, apparel, kids, travel, electronics, and more. The Ibotta app is currently among the top 50 out of all shopping apps in the App Store, where it also has a pretty high rating and over 1.3 million reviews. Android users can download the app in Google Play Store, where it has an equally great rating and more than 500,000 reviews. So, how do you get the most of this cashback app? It's really simple and straightforward. Download the app and shop in-store deals. Make sure to link your account at Target Online, Instacart, or Shipt and earn every time you shop. Alternatively, you may download the browser extension and earn cashback instantly and easily when you shop from your favorite retailers online with a click of a button. But in this video, we will not be focusing on how to get the most of this program. I'm talking about something that's easier and faster, something that will earn you $16 in 1 minute so you can make fast money online as a beginner where you do not need to shop to be rewarded. I'm talking about the Ibotta Affiliates program. It is an exclusive opportunity to earn cash when you feature Ibotta offers and promotions on your website or blog to drive referrals. You get $2 per referred registration. Yes, that's $2 for less than 10 seconds of work. But here's the catch. I'm going to let you in on a secret that lets you get referrals even if you don't have a social media following or any kind of audience. Stick with me till the end and you'll see what I'm talking about. Aside from the direct referral money you get, as a member, you will have access to professional creative resources and high-quality images, VIP newsletter featuring new Ibotta offers you can showcase, full reports on earnings and conversion rates, and fun incentives and exclusive opportunities to earn even more cash. The first question that may pop in your mind is, how do I get started as an Ibotta affiliate? Well, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page under Work with Us, Click Affiliates to join the Ibotta Affiliates program. It's completely free, and once you're approved, you'll get a unique link to use on your websites and social channels to start earning cash for your referrals. This unique link will also be used to track all your registrations and earnings. So how do you get paid? You'll get paid directly by Impact Radius, $2 for every user referred directly from your website or social channels on the first of the following month after signup. You can also get your money from Ibotta in the form of gift cards or by transferring it to PayPal. To transfer your funds to PayPal, you first need to earn $20 worth of cash. Then, you'll be able to transfer your money to a linked PayPal account. If gift cards are your thing, you'll first need to accumulate either $20 or $25 worth of cash. You can then transfer the funds over to a gift card, which you can use to shop at the same major retailers where you earned the cash in the first place. Now, let's take a quick breather to let the information sink in because I'm about to reveal a bonus tip that will help you earn fast money online even if you don't have an audience on any platform. Before I do that, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up if you're already thrilled about this hot bonus tip I'm about to share. Smack that subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to know about the latest online money-making trends. If you have experience in using Ibotta, share it in the comments below so others can benefit as well. Now, as promised, you're going to learn how to earn $16 in 1 minute and make fast money online as a beginner in the Ibotta Referrals program. But what if you do not have a large following or your network isn't that huge? The answer is Trendry.com. Trendry is a forum site with over 20,000 members. What's special about this is that it is an earn money online forum. As you can see, the threads are called Making Money, Rewarding Apps, Paid Survey, Affiliate Marketing, Passive Income, Review a Product or Website, and Buy, Sell, or Trade. There's also an investment forum, business and marketing forum, financial management, and webmaster forum. If you take a look at the views column, several of them have reached more than 1 million views. Imagine if this is your thread and you got 1 million views, even if you only get 1% of these viewers to click on your affiliate link, that's already 10,000 referrals. Also, to entice you more, Trendry recently started rewarding threads and posts, so if your thread gets popular, Trendry will pay you for it. What's great about Trendry is that the people inside that forum are already looking for ways to earn money online, so you have a higher chance of getting your link noticed. To wrap it up real quick, download Ibotta on your mobile device or simply as a browser extension on your desktop. You may earn cash back every time you shop, but to maximize your earnings, become an affiliate and refer as many people as you can. To do that, simply sign up at Trendry.com, start a thread, and get people to click on your link. And that's how you can make fast money online as a beginner in 2022. If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed, now is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated with the latest online money-making trends. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below what you find most valuable. I appreciate you sticking around till the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next one.